Hey everyone, okay, so Happy New Year. So let's start the year off with a review, which is for this soap here. Now, here it is, Core. This is the soap and it costs a whacking £115 here in the UK or about $140 in the States, or you can get this one, which is a little one, and this costs a measly £40. So, what does it do and do you need it? So first of all, the smaller soap, the £40 one, this is supposed to last 3 months. And the large one is supposed to last you a good 9 months. So, my thoughts on this product. Oh, do you know what? I don't quite know how to get my thoughts on this product because it's a good product, but it's just too much, if that makes sense. It's a soap and and it is infused with silver, and you rub it in your hands and it creates a massive lather like you've never seen before. You then leave that on the skin for 10 seconds up to 5 minutes, depending on how you want. You can even shave with it if you want to as well. Then you rinse it off. Now, according to all the reviews I've read on it, it leaves behind an SPF of 15. I can't find that on their website, so I wouldn't take that as gospel, but that's what the reviews say. And you know always to believe reviews, right? So I don't know if that's true, but if you're looking for a cleanser that deep cleans, and this truly does feel like it is digging into your pores and pulling everything out. It cleans exceptionally well, and this, in my opinion, is its slight problem. It's too much for me. It cleans too deeply for my skin, and it leaves it feeling like it has been just cleaned too deeply, if that makes sense. If you use acids or retinol products like I do, I think this is too much. It's too much of a deep clean. However, I used it on my arms, which I get breakouts for, and obviously this soap is designed for people with breakouts. And 2 uses in the shower over 2 days, all the little bumps went. Quite extraordinary. Now, whether or not you want to spend £100 plus on a soap for your body or your face is entirely up to you. For me personally, using it on my face, it's too much. It's too strong. It's too cleansing. I cannot, it just doesn't work for my face. It leaves it feeling wrong. The first time I used it, I was like, because it felt so clean. But as I kept doing it over the past week and a half or so, too much. I much prefer Drunk Elephant cleansing bars. They're so soft and gentle on the skin, or the Aurelia one, which just leaves your skin feeling heavenly. This is too much for me, but I can see how it could be incredibly beneficial for people with breakouts. But if you're using a lot of acids, I think you're going to find it too much. But it did clear up the spots on my arms like you wouldn't believe. So, you know, it obviously does its job. If I'll put the links down here, but if you're going to pick one, I go with the little baby one. Give it a good chance. You can also get a really small trial one, which lasts you sort of like a couple of weeks or so, something like that. So that might be an even better option because of the price. But if you have used this product, I would love to know what your thoughts are on it and whether or not it's worked for you. I really don't think you should hold the SPF claim very strong. There is a cleanser out there, Dr. Russo, which does leave behind an SPF on the skin that is been proven to work. So that is a great cleanser, by the way. I just ordered 2 of them because they were on special, half price, so I ordered 2. But there you go, that's my thoughts. Love to hear your thoughts on it. And hooded eye tutorial coming Friday. See you soon, bye bye.